style chicken wings today. Yes, ma'am. So what I have right here are wonderful chicken wings. So this is, the chicken wings. I'm gonna show you. Chicken wings has a, like, what do you call that? It's like an elbow. But this is a part of the chicken wings, and so these are connected to each other, okay, or just like that. But I'm just gonna be using this flat tie of what is that, flat part. Then I'm taking off this meaty kind because I'm going to fry them. But anyway, so this is what I'm gonna be using of the chicken wings part, because this is the most delicious part of the chicken. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, this is just gonna be marinated. Okay, so I'm just gonna be showing you what the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have the star anise right here. This smells so good, guys. Star anise. I have a tablespoon of sugar. I have onion, chopped onion, black pepper. I have minced garlic. I have the teriyaki kikkoman marinated sauce, and then I have hoisin sauce, apple cider vinegar, and this is very easy, guys. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm going to incorporate all our ingredients to the container. Okay, so what we're going to do is marinate our beautiful chicken wings. Yes, ma'am. And this is delicious, guys. This is very easy. Like I said, all you have to do is just put all your ingredients together. Okay, I'm gonna start with our star anise. Okay, our sugar, our onion. Beautiful. So like I said, this is very easy. And then our black pepper. I put a lot of black pepper on this because it gives a lot of flavor. Like I said, star anise makes a difference for your adobo, guys, and that's one of my secret recipe, which is, it's not a secret anymore, guys, right? So see that, a lot of pepper, and then our garlic. Okay, about tablespoon of garlic. Nice. And garlic is good for you guys. If you have like a gassy stomach, that's what I take, a lot of garlic. Of course. Well, next, our apple cider vinegar. The purpose of mixing your vinegar before cooking it, because it will reduce the acidity of our vinegar and it will reduce the sourness. You know what I'm saying? And we doesn't want an adobo that tastes like vinegar, just like that. So vinegar, we want flavor, smooth, it's like that, delicious, like that. That's what we want. We doesn't want sour. Oh, we doesn't want sour, guys. We doesn't want sour. Sometimes life is sour. We don't need it. So we need, and we want it like smooth, delicious. And probably like, what in the world? What are you talking in? But anyways, I'm going to I'm pretty sure you've been laughing, guys. So I'm going to add about a couple of, well, I guess I'm gonna show you measurement. Okay, 2 or 3 tablespoon. Okay, okay, 1, count, 2, count with me, 3. And guys, if you doesn't have an apple cider vinegar, and of course not everybody can can afford or sometimes not available in the market for the apple cider, you can use coconut vinegar, you know. And but since I have a apple cider vinegar available, I use them, and I love the flavor of apple cider vinegar, you know. So but anyway, so I have 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Now we are going to add our hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce, guys, this is a delicious, actually this is really good. It's thicken up your sauce at the same time the flavor. So that's why I like using them on my adobo. Okay, so I'm gonna add, we'll start on a couple of, because this is salty, guys, okay? A couple of tablespoons. And then, you know, if you think that you still need to add a little bit more, you have to add and put one at a time, because you doesn't want your adobo too salty. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I have 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and now we're going to add the teriyaki sauce, okay? So I'm gonna add a couple of teriyaki sauce. 1 couple of tablespoon 2. Okay, so that's perfect. So that's how easy it is, guys. You know, pretty much, like I said, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You know, so I'm gonna take that off. I have gloves right here, so I'm going to do is just massage the chicken wings, and be gentle, guys. Don't massage them that, you know, the bone will almost, you know, break it. Don't do that. Like I said, don't be sour, guys. Be gentle. You know, that's all we want. Okay, so we're going to massage our chicken wings. Oh, I already can smell the ingredients, guys. So how much more once it's cooked? This is delicious, delicious. So that's what we're going. And when I make adobo, guys, one advice, or I would say, you know, one of the tips that, you know, when I'm making adobo, because this is a learning experience, don't put water, especially if you want the consistency of the flavor of your adobo, especially chicken. Okay, for the chicken, I will not recommend to put water in it, but you have to do is slow cook. Chicken is easy to cook, you know, it doesn't take hours, you know what I'm saying. So don't put water in it, because I remember when I was learning how to make an adobo, guys, what I did, I put probably 3 cups of water, you know, and put my ingredients and things like that, and the chicken is already tender, falling off the bone, and I still have like gallon of water in my pot, and I was like, what? And so I learned from that, and I was like, and then so I try it again, you know, I try the next time making my adobo without the water, because apparently, like I said, you know, chicken has a lot of water in it. So all you have to do is just, you know, put your stove in a medium heat. Just let it simmer for like 30 to 45 minutes. In 30 minutes, actually, you can tell that the chicken is tender. But you see, if you put a lot of water in it, the flavor is blunt. And then the tendency is, of course, when you taste the sauce and it's blunt, you keep putting in soy sauce, you keep putting in sugar and things like that. And it's hard. It's hard to, you know, get the flavor that you wanted. But it's apparently the water, you know. Like I said, the meat is already tender and you still got like a gallon of water in it. I was like, what? I don't want that. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. This is delicious. And you can see the chicken wings is now turning into like a light brown. See that right there? And we wanted every corner of that chicken wings be coated with our spices and hoisin and apple cider vinegar and things like that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab a pan. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna show you. So this is my pan right here. Okay, what I'm going to do is arrange my wings, chicken wings, just like that. And this because when you are making as you know, chicken wings has a lot of bone, but if you cook it like this adobo style, guys, you can even I can even eat the bone because the bone is so tender, you know. Okay, we'll arrange them just like that, nice and beautiful. Okay, perfect. Amazing, amazing. I'm so excited. And you know, this is one of my husband's favorite Filipino food. And when he is requesting, if let's say like our anniversary or his birthday, every time I ask him, what do you want me to cook for you, Baba? And he'll say, adobo po, please. Okay, he knows that Answer Up Kitchen's adobo is good. Very smooth. Just like that. Smooth. All right, so this is the sauce that we have. Okay, see the onion and garlic star anise and things like that. So what we're going to do is just add, let me do it like this, add this sauce. Okay, pour all over, nice and beautiful. Okay, and that's it really, guys. So there's more onion. We doesn't want to waste some onion right there. Yeah, let me wash my hands. And this is pretty much ready, guys. So all we have to do is just turn on our stove, you know, and let it simmer beautifully, okay? Product of our chicken wings adobo. Look at that, guys. That is so tender. And actually, I tasted one. It's really good. And I can show you how tender it is. Okay, guys, let me pick up one. And you see the bone right there? It's sticking out. Yeah, look at that. It's falling off the bone, my sweet viewers, because I'm so hungry now. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and I hope that you like my recipe today. And this is perfect for your kids, and I'm pretty sure your kids would love this. And this is delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please click the notification bell. Yeah, click. Just like a click. So you will be updated every time I upload a video. Bye. See you later.